However, the Nine of Swords energy. But I don't think na sa'yo to. Kasi it feels so outside energy that with the moon, no, sa labas ng window rito, no, parang meron ditong namumroblema, no. Pero with that sword, no, nakaharang sa window, okay, at mga clouds na nandoon, kung nakikita mo mga babes, no, nakikita ko rito na itong mga to ay pwedeng hindi sila nag-open up for you, pero meron sila ritong iniisip, may pinoproblema sila, no, at hindi ko alam kung bakit sumasagi ka sa isipan nila, no, pero yun yung dapat nating alamin. But nakuha ko rin mga babes, no, yung ceiling. Tingnan mo yung ceiling. It gives me that vibe of chessboard. So it looks like this person here is strategizing. Nag-iisip sila ng strategy rito na pwedeng ang maging outcome is yung magiging ikabubuti nila. Pero as we all know, chess is a game. We'll find out. Who is this? Let's see. They acted as somewhat walang pakialam, pero they pause just to notice you. We do all know that the chariot is the fastest energy in the tarot. Pero look at this too. Nakaupo yan eh. Hindi pa naandar. Diba? So whatever the case may be, look at them. They're looking at you. See? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi nyo energy to eh. They're looking at you. Okay? And observing you. Pwedeng may hinihintay sila rito, no? Involving you, a situation involving you. Yan, no? So, hindi pa sila gumagawa ng movement kasi may hinihintay pa sila rito. So, this could be the person that you're dealing with. What is it all about right here? But I think yung problema nila has nothing to do with you. But they're thinking about you. Yeah, I know it might be confusing now, but we'll find out. Okay. Oh, maganda 'to mga babes 'no, kasi nakakita ko rito ng opportunity for you guys 'no. Isang trabaho, isang pagkakakitaan. Whether business 'yan or whether 'yan ay you're working with a company right here, with other people, yan. So just take how this resonates. Basta opportunity, no, na may kinalaman sa yung trabaho, sa yung kaperahan, no, money flow it is, no, kung saan makakapagsimula ka rito ng bongga at may potential na lumago, no, like literally may potential na lumaki with this Ace of Pentacles energy, and ganyan kalaki, no. So with the moon right there in the background, no, hindi mo pa yan nakikitang paparating, but it's coming to you. It's coming to you. Ito yung trabaho kung saan mai-establish mo rito mga babes, no, one by one, unti-unti, no, because pentacles or coins right here, no, is the slowest energy in the tarot. Yeah, no, but in time, ito na yun, no. You've been through a lot of mga trabaho, mga jobs right here, mga business, no, na hindi naman nag-failed or hindi naman mga babes, no, to the point na parang hindi magandang opportunities for you, pero kasi meron ditong opportunity na paparating sa'yo kung saan dito mo na talaga maisasagawa yung unti-unti yung katuparan ng mga plano mo. So, kung plano mo na magpatayo ng bahay, no? So, kung ganito, kung may trabaho ka, no, pwedeng iba-iba na rin naging trabaho mo, iba-iba na rin yung business mo na trinay, hindi naman sa parang hindi yun nagwo-work. Kumbaga, hindi lang yun yung parang nagiging pundasyon ng pagsimula ng mga pangarap mo. Dito kasi nakikita ko yung money flow mo malaki. Dito kasi nakikita ko na pataas ng pataas dito, no? yung potential ng pagkakaroon mo dyan ng big sum of money. Kung saan, pwede kang makabili rito at makaipon para pambili at pampagawa ng bahay, pampabili ng bagong lupa, no, house and lot, ganyan. So, dito, sa isang bagong opportunity na to, no, businessman yan, trabaho, job, no, maganda, makakapagsimula ka talaga dyan. Yan, no. So, yung iba naman, no, like literally, may mga trabaho ka before or may business ka, no, pero hindi ka ganun ka-satisfied. Kumbaga parang, hindi ka pa talaga sure na ito na ba talaga yung gusto kong work na hanggang sa pagtanda ko, ito na ba talaga yung gusto kong gawin. No? Like literally, you do not know kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo ritong gawin when it comes to work, when it comes to job, when it comes to career. But I can see that there is some kind of an opportunity right here that will, okay, clear your mind. Dito talaga mas makikita mo, matatagpuan mo yung sarili mo rito, no? At ito talaga ay papasukin mong trabaho. Papasukin mo 'tong trabaho na 'to or business na 'to 'no, at ito ay maggo-grow. Mahahanap mo diyan yung sarili mo 'no, plus diyan mo pa masisimulan na maisakatuparan ang mga pagtupad ng isa-isa mong wish na may kinalaman sa material or worldly gains right here, kagaya ng dream house, dream car, yan 'no, dream lot, dream business na gusto mong ipatayo 'no, at kung ano pa 'no, ng mga dreams ninyo na nag-e-exist in the material world. So yeah, let's keep moving right here. Oh. Well, hindi talaga ito nawawala. Kasi this is part of the challenge. Okay? So I'm seeing people right here with the Seven of Swords energy, Seven of Wands energy, um, Nine of Wands in reverse right here. So you could be seeing a lot of 777, angel number 777, angel number 77, a lot of sevens. If you could be seeing that, that's a good sign. Okay? Kasi 77, it is somewhat just like 1111. Ibig sabihin you are on the right track right here. Kung ano man yung minamanifest mo. Kung ano yung minamanifest mo na yan, may kinalaman yan sa money. Yan, it's coming towards you, but there's this other energies. Yan, no? May mga other energies tayong nakikita rito, no? Na itong magandang trabaho na to ay hindi lamang ikaw ang nakabantay dyan. Meron ding mga tao sa paligid mo na nakabantay at nakamatsyag, no? Hindi dyan sa opportunity na yan, kundi sa'yo. And what I'm picking up right here, this could be, by the way, this could be your friends, this could be your family members, could be relatives for others of you, or could be someone you already know around you. Around you. Like kasama mo sila ngayon. No? These people right here, you know them. Kilala mo na sila. No, itong pag-uusapan natin, kilala mo na sila. Sila dito yung mga klase ng tao, mga babes, no, na kapag sinasabihan mo rito na alam mo, mas maganda kung ganito yung gawin mo. Hindi ko naman sinabing ganito yung gagawin mo, pero mas maganda kasi mas tingin kong papa-improve ito. Yan, no, binibigyan mo siya ng ganitong advice, no, or binibigyan siya ng mga ibang tao rito ng advice, no, kung paano rito mas mapapabuti or paano rito mas maipapamalas or mai-enhance ang kanyang skills, no? Kung ano man yan, no? Pero siya ito na, hindi, okay na ako, kaya ko na to. Ayoko niyan kasi mahirap yun. Ay, hindi, sige, ganito. Alam mo yung sinasalag niya to the point na parang, ayoko niyan kasi mahirap yung gawin eh. Okay naman ako ngayon kasi kung nasan ako. Yung gano'n na yung parang alam mo na may iaangat siya, pero ayaw niya. Yun, no? At saka ito yung mga klase ng tao na parang ayaw mapagod. Yun yun eh. Sila yung klase ng tao rito na ang dami-daming iniisip, ang dami-daming wini-worry, ang dami-dami rito problema, no? Pero ayaw naman nilang gumawa ng action or yung tinatawag natin na extra mile kasi sila rin naman makikinabang doon. Okay? You know what I mean? Okay? Kunwari example, sila yung ganitong klase ng mga tao na ito kaya applyan mo kasi 'di ba graduate ka naman nito. Ayan, tingin ko mas mahahanap mo rito yung sarili mo. Ay, ayoko niyan eh kasi ang daming math. Ayoko, hindi ko yan kayang gawin. Yan, no? Ganun siya, no? Pero sa kabilang banda, ano to? Bakit ang dami na naman ditong bills? May Meralco, may internet, may Nilad, may Manila Water. Ang dami niyang kuda, no? Tapos ano ba ito, may amilyar pang babayaran. Ang dami namin bayarin. Pero, reklamo siya ng reklamo to the point na hindi siya gumagawa ng aksyon. So, kilalang kilala mo na kung sino-sino itong mga to, no? At sila yung nakaantabay sa iyo. See? I know that we are social animals. Okay, we have that kind of spirit and inner um, inner part na ng ating characteristics. Pero yung kanya, kung sino-sino man to mga to, they have that different version of that. They are social climber. They could be, alam mo sa ibang extent, no? Pero hindi na tayo dun as in talaga aabot, no? Kung worst to, maaari silang gold diggers na makategorize. Yan, no? Pero dito kasi, hinihintay nila na umangat ka para makatanghod sila sa'yo. Hinihintay nila na makuha mo yung pangarap mo para makalapit sila sa'yo. See? And these are the people that are with you right now. They're in your orbit. Paikot-ikot sila sa'yo. Like the planetarium. They are there. Yeah. See? They want to get things done hindi dahil sa kakayanan nila, kundi dahil sa kakayanan ng iba. And they are so lucky to have you. Kasi ikaw yung nakikita nila na gano'n, 'di ba? So, see? Kumbaga sa vacuum, no? Mas malupit sila. Siguro vacuum sila nung past life nila, no? So, yan. Hindi ko sila makonsider na gold digger, but I'm picking up that they could be somewhat, okay? Yun nga, no? Like a vacuum right here. A social climber, probably, okay? Mas magandang parang pakinggan kaysa dun sa gold digger. Pero ganun kasi yun. They're waiting for you, for your success, okay? And saka sila dito lalapit sa'yo. Yun. So, whoever this individual is, okay, siguro sila yung palaging nakahingi sa'yo, sila yung tulungan mo naman ako, friend, or baka naman, friend, or ate, kuya, ano, yan. Or pamangkin. Meron ba tayo dyan? Yan yung mga linyahan nila. So, kilalang kilala mo na sila kung sino-sino sila, no? Yan. Alam mo, lahat naman tayo may kakayanan, no? Na may angat ang ating sarili, no? Nasa sa atin yon, nasa sa sarili natin yon. Pero sila, ganyan sila, no? Sa binanggit ko. So, latad pa natin. See? Page of Swords. See, Page of Swords energy. This is the energy right here, no? Na kunwari lang sila mga babes, no, na hindi sila lalapit sa'yo, na hindi sila hihingi ng kung anong meron kang resources dyan, kung anong meron kang money, kung anong meron kang abundance, kung anong meron kang prosperity. But with the Page of Swords, this is someone here who is may side eye. Nakatingin yung eyeballs niya sa'yo kahit nakahilig ang kanyang katawan, no? Papunta sa ibang side. See, nakamasid, nakamatsyag yung mga yan sa'yo, no? Kasi iniintay nila rin. Alam mo yung parang, alam, example niyan mga guys, no? Yung nakakatawa na parang meme, no? Na kumakalat sa social media, no? Na palakad-lakad yung kapitbahay, no? Kasi parang may malaking handaan dun sa kapitbahay nila, no? Tapos yung caption, lakad-lakad, baka tawagin. So, ibig sabihin, no? These people, hey, I can relate to that dito sa reading ninyo, no? Kasi these are the people right here, no, na parang nag-iintay sila rito, no, na umangat ka pa, no? Kasi nakikita kitang umaangat eh, na umangat ka pa, no? na parang to the point na isipin mo na hindi sila sasawsaw sa'yo or hindi sila makiki-share sa kung anong meron ka, no? Pero they're looking at you from a distance. That's the Page of Swords energy. Gathering more information, baka nga mauna pa ito, no? Kunyari, ganito mga babes, no? Baka mauna pa ito, no? Na alamin, no? Kung hired ka na ba sa isang company, example lang yung mga babes, no? Baka tumawag pa to doon sa company na yan. Ay, babe, saan nga pala ikaw nag-apply? Yung sinasabi mong gustong-gusto mo. Di ba final interview mo na yun? Ay, oo, dun yun sa Channel Channelings Company. So, pag binanggit mo yun, mga mahal, no? Siya to si tatawag, na example lang to mga babes, no? Tatawag siya doon, no? At siya yung magpa-follow up for you. This guy, see, no? Ganun siya, ganun yung energy yung binubuga niya. No? This guy, seeing na ikaw yon, no? Tapos, follow up ko lang po sana yung final interview kung okay na po ba yung ganyan. See? Isn't it below the belt already? I'm getting that these people right here is someone close to you. Pero hindi mo alam, no, na kaya nilang umabot sa ganong punto right here. To the point that they're getting involved in so nosy. Nosy means pakialamero to the point na hindi naman sila dapat makialam. Kasi una sa lahat, transaction mo yan, at buhay mo yan, at pera mo yan, at resources mo yan, at sa'yo yan. Sa'yo yan. Okay? So, mas maganda, no, na pag may mga ganyan nagtatanong, ay, ayaw ko banggitin kasi baka ma-jinx. Excuse me. Alam niyo yung jinx, no? Ganun na lang yung sabihin yung linya. Ayaw ko sabihin ko sa company yun eh. Basta mag-pray na lang tayo. Tsaka let's hope for the best. Ganun na lang sabihin mo kapag may magtatanong. Kasi pag nagbanggit ka ng mga information, kasi maghahanap ka ng information para makakuha yan ng information sa'yo eh. Alam mo kung nasa bahay yan, ano yan, pupunta pa yun sa kwarto mo pag wala ka, no? Tapos maghahalong ka, silip-silip siya sa table mo, kung baka meron ka doon na resume, or baka meron ka nung parang, ano, ako, nakikita ko sa ano ko, yung parang paper, no, na parang pag bibisit ka sa isang building, no, gagamitin mo pagpasok, paglabas, ganyan, no. Titingnan niyo talaga, alamin niyo talaga yan, mga babes, no? Kasi yan talaga yung may utak, no, na talagang iba ang ibig sabihin ng social animal sa kanya. See, we have here the sun in reverse. Kakabanggit ko lang ng planetarium kanina. Isipin mo naman yan, no? They are these people na, uy, congrats, be, or congrats, te, nakuha ka dyan. Sabi ko sa'yo, kaya mo talaga yun. Ganyan, no? Pero alam mo, happy sila, pero hindi for you. Happy sila for themselves. Kasi they're seeing you as someone nurturing. Yun yung paulit-ulit kong naririnig kanina pa. Nurturing, maalaga ka kasi. Mm-mm. So, maaari talaga na napalaki ka rito ng mabuti ng iyong mga magulang, no, to the point, no, that you're looking out for your family, you're looking out for the people you treasure with. And whoever these people are, okay, they're happy not for you, but they're happy for them. Masaya sila for them. Yan. Hmm. See? Alam mo yung iba dyan, may sarili naman sila mga trabaho, mga babes. No? Pero nakatingin pa rin, nakamatsyag, nakatanghod pa rin sila sa'yo. Ayaw kasi nilang mahirapan eh. Ayaw kasi nila rito mga babes, no? Yung parang nai-stress at nagagamit ang kanilang brain cells. So, nakikita ko dito. So yeah, that's the truth na hindi na kailangan ma-reveal sa'yo dahil alam na alam mo na yan at kilalang kilala mo na sila. No? Siguro napansin mo noon pa lang, no, ganyan na sila, panay lapit, no? At mararamdaman mo yun kasi you are having this kind of giving me the energy of, yeah, you are very nurturing, no? Sometimes kasi may wrong effect na yung sobrang pagiging nurturing, no? Or sobrang maalaga rito, no? Kahit na dun sa mga people, no, na around you right here, but I'm picking up that you're also giving me the vibe that you are intuitive. Malakas rin yung pakiramdam mo. At, okay, kasi yung katulad mo, detailed focus So, maaaring natatrack mo yung pattern. May pattern sila rito. And you are, you're getting signals, no? Dito na, these people right here could probably be hidden intentions from me. And it keeps on signaling to you, you keep on receiving that kind of message, that's why alam mo na yung totoo. And you're right. Kasi these people isn't really happy for you. Yan, no? They're just waiting for you to excel. They're just waiting for you to succeed in order for them to make a move. Yan, no? So, let's see. Oh, we have here the star. And there's this Knight of Swords energy. The message that I'm getting from here, this is different naman. Wala nang kinalaman doon sa mga social animals. In a different level, no? Na nakikita natin doon, no? There's someone here coming in sa'yo. This person here, okay, is giving you this kind of message here that will definitely shock and surprise you, but in a very positive way. Because the star is someone here that is embodying a wish being fulfilled, or what we call in terms right here na luck. So whatever it is, this will make you feel happy. It's good news right here. So maybe ito na nga yun, no, na may kinalaman dito sa kaperahan na trabaho, no? Pero nakikita ka rin dito mga babes, no, na maaaring yan ay iba pang bagay, no, or may kinalaman pa sa ibang dinidesires mo, no, deep within your heart. So definitely, this could be another bonus wish fulfillment for you. And I'm also getting that there is also some kind of a message right here, that there is some kind of a person here na hindi mo nakita ng matagal na, no? This person is wanting na makipag-ayos sa'yo. This person wants to ask for your forgiveness. Okay, will tell you his or her apology right here, and this person is coming in. So, I think I'm getting this fast movement right here. Like, literally, baka yung iba, no, kung dumating na yan sa inyo, no, nito mga nakaraan, at yung iba paparating na yan, no. Meron ditong mga tao na hihingi ng tawad sa'yo, okay, na matagal mong hindi nakita. So, this could be old people right here from your life, okay? So, hindi lang ito yung ex mo, no? Meron pa, marami pa kayong mga, parang mga energies na nakilala noon, no? Na hindi nyo nakita, okay? Especially kung ang huli naman ninyong kita is nag-away kayo. Yan. No? So, let's keep moving. We have here the Queen of Swords energy. So, yeah, definitely. Alam mo, kung ano man to, na good news, or kung ano man to no, napaparating sa inyo, okay? Malamang yan na lang talaga yung hinihintay mo na sign para makagawa ka na ng desisyon. So, that is someone here na pwedeng hinahanap mo rin yan kasi naman yan nakaalitan mo na yan kasi gusto mo na rito magsimula ng panibagong buhay. Like, literally, wala na samaan ng loob, clear out the air, not necessarily natatanggapin mo siya sa life mo, pero sana, no, magkaroon na rin dito ng maayos na closure, or parang ma-fix na yung issue, tas move on na sa kanya-kanyang life, no? Parang, kung ano man to, napaparating sa'yo, it will make you start here anew, like totally new to your life. Yan, no? At kung hindi naman yan healing for others of you, okay, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, it has something to do with positive news right here, na baka yun na lang yung hinihintay mo, no, na sign para maisagawa mo na yung pinaplano mo rito. Because the Queen of Swords is someone here who is making a decision. And this this news right here, okay, ay darating sa right time. So, right time na yung pagdating niyan, no? At yan na yung hudyat para simulan mo na yung desisyon na gusto mong gawin. So, kung ano man yan, okay, may kinalaman yan mga babes na sa pwedeng matagal mong kinaistakan ever. So, yeah, that's what I'm picking up. So, let's see. Oh, excuse me. So I can see that when it comes to love, someone here will sees you as someone potential. There is an attraction and merong magkaka-interest sa inyo na pwedeng maging malalim ang kanyang emotions and feelings for you. And this person here is maaaring makilala mo siya no, kapag ikaw ay nag-travel, yung bigla ang travel na pwedeng hindi plinano. For example, hindi naman ikaw yung representative na ipapadala sa ibang bansa. Okay? Tapos ikaw na yung naging representative kasi may situation na mangyayari kung saan pwedeng hindi maging available yung dapat na representative. That kind of thing. Yan, no? Or hindi lang yung ganun, example lang yung mga babes, no? Pwedeng ganito na parang, like literally unexpected na hindi naman ikaw yung nag-book ng flight and then yung pinsan mo is parang example, no? Binigay sa'yo, ay, alam mo ba, naku, ano ba yan? Hindi ako makakapunta rito sa binook ko rito na vacation, yan, no? Meron siyang voucher kay Nemerlo, no? Tapos binigay niya sa'yo. Like, literally unexpected. You will meet someone here, yan, no? Na magkaka-interest sa'yo to the point na makikita ka niya as someone here na may potential talaga siyang ma-fall sa'yo. Kasi meron pa ritong investment, oh, with the Seven of Pentacles energy. Like, it will happen fast, but maybe this is somewhat the universe opening its gate for you guys to probably meet this someone if you're looking for love. Yeah. So, it is happening fast, no? Like, literally, sabihin na natin, no, na kunwari 3 days ka lang sa vacation na yun, at kailangan mo nang umuwi kasi tapos na no? Hanggang ganun lang yung voucher mo. Example lang yung mga babes, sa unexpected, no? Nakita ko kayo mag-uusap at tutuloy-tuloy yung usap ninyo sa online. Yun, nakikita ko dito. Any social media applications would do, but I'm seeing you getting in touch. Taray, getting in touch. So yeah, hindi na nga ako nakapagpakilala sa ating mga new subscribers. By the way, my name is Gan. I hope na magstay kayo dito sa channel na to together with our other Marites family right here. So yeah, mga old subscribers, no? At talaga naman na halos 2 taon, magdadalawang taon ko nang nakakasama dito. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and sana nga love and life. I know.